In this video, we'll be discussing the best drones for 2022. We'll be looking at drones that can fly, those that are easy to use, and those that have a lot of features. We'll also discuss what you should look for when choosing a drone for your needs. So watch this video and find out what the best drones for 2022 are. In the description box, we have included links. Now let's get started. At number 1 is DJI Mini 2. The DJI Mini 2 is the best drone you can get for less than $500. It has a stabilized 3-axis gimbal 4K video camera that also snaps 12MP photos, and it also has GPS and Find My Drone functions. With its 249-gram takeoff weight, you don't need to register it with the FAA. All you need is a knowledge test online. This model has a nearly half-hour flight time, though we wish DJI had added obstacle detection. The Mini 2 is the drone to get if you're just starting out and want to record ultra-smooth 4K 30 footage from the air or take aerial photos. A RAW format option is available if you like to post-process your photos. When flying near the 400-foot altitude limit, it's extremely stable, and the smartphone app streams live video from the camera to the phone. It is a close clone of the DJI Mini with 2.7K video and JPG stills for $300. At number 2 is DJI Mini 3 Pro. Among the most capable ultralight drones on the market, the DJI Mini 3 Pro is one of the best. With a weight of 249 grams, with a battery life of 34 minutes, you can avoid FAA registration, but creators who don't mind forms and fee can add an extended battery to extend flight duration beyond 45 minutes. There are also 3-way obstacle sensors, automated flight modes, and 4K 60 video. For low-to-the-ground use, it passes an autopilot that navigates through complex spaces all by itself. If you've looked at the Mini 2 and wanted something more, this is a sensible upgrade. Those who enjoy drones, cinematographers looking to add a B camera for aerials, and creators willing to spend a bit more for smart obstacle avoidance should consider the Mini 3 Pro. The vertical 9:16 video format also makes it a good match for TikTok influencers. At number 3 is DJI Air 2S. The DJI Air 2S has an oversized Type 1 sensor for much better 20MP stills than you can get from the DJI Mini series drones. It supports 5.4K 30 and 4K 60 video with HDR, flat, or standard profiles, plus it can take photos in RAW or JPG format. Besides the GPS location, obstacle sensors, a DSP to warn you of nearby manned aircraft, and a 30-minute battery, DJI Air 2S drone is a great choice for stills creators. The Type 1 sensor may lag behind quad-Bayer chips in pixel count, but captures a wider dynamic range, so photos have more leeway for edits to exposure. Video pros will appreciate the 5.4K resolution and choice of 3 profiles too. However, if you want to do serious cinema work, you'll want to upgrade to a Mavic 3. Be aware that you must register this drone with the FAA. At number 4 is Auto Robotics Evo Nano Plus. The Auto Robotics Evo Nano Plus comes in at 249 grams, so you don't need to register it with the FAA. But it does feature 3-way obstacle detection for safer flight, featuring a 4K 30 video recording camera and 50MP photos. The camera has a long battery life of approximately 28 minutes. Pilots looking for a quadcopter that doesn't have baked-in geofencing restrictions like the DJI FlySafe system might find the Evo Nano Plus a good choice. A 249-gram takeoff weight allows you to fly more freely, and the picture quality is excellent, with aggressive sharpening being the main downside. At number 5 is a Maxtin Hawk 2. Despite the fact that mainstream drones, such as the DJI Mini, can fly fast, racing drones can reach speeds of more than 100 mph. They're also much more agile, built for acrobatic maneuvers with manual controls. That means there's a learning curve that usually involves some crashes. You won't find it easy or quick to get started with the Maxtin Hawk 2. But if you're looking for a racing drone, it has a fairly simple setup. In spite of the fact that it's still a bit of a learning curve, it's less expensive and less frustrating than other entry-level systems. For one thing, you don't have to worry about getting all of the individual pieces to work together or soldering anything, which is required for many DIY models. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and leave a comment. If you found this video helpful, click on the links in the description to find out more about the products